Hey guys, today I want to talk about missing value handling and a couple of techniques that you can use to impute the missing value. All right, in general, there are a couple of things you can do to handle missing value. The first one is drop it, remove the missing value. The second one is that you impute it. All right, if you decide to impute the missing value, you have two options. Either you can use single imputation or you can use multiple imputation. Single imputation means that you impute a missing value in a given column or for a feature independent of any other features or independent of any other columns. Multiple imputation means that you take the dependency or the correlation between features into the consideration. All right. So here's a couple of techniques you can use to impute missing value. There are actually much more than that, but these are the couple of dominant or very widespread or popular techniques. If you decide to go with a single imputation, you can either use mean. Mode means that you impute the missing value with the most frequent value in the given column. Median means that you calculate the median of the non-missing value for a given column and you replace the missing values for that, using that value. And the constant, you decide to impute the missing value in a given column using a constant value. And so you can see that none of these techniques are actually considered good. Multiple imputation in general are better. There are two techniques, two dominant techniques. One of them is k nearest neighbor, and another one is mice, which is multivariate imputation by chain equation. It's a very popular technique, and which in the next video I try to talk about these two techniques more. Thank you. Hey guys, in the last video I talked to you about the different ways to impute the missing value. In this video I would like to talk about multiple imputation, or I call it advanced imputation, techniques such as KNN and mice. So KNN is a k nearest neighbor, is a machine learning algorithm, and it's based on notion of the neighbor. So the number of neighbor is defined by this k, which is a hyperparameter, and is based on notion of the similarity. So neighbor is defined as the most similar data points to a current data point, and the similarity is the notion of the distance, Manhattan or Euclidean or cosine distance. So let's say you want to impute a missing value in a given row. You look at the neighbors of this missing value, and then you calculate the missing value, imputed value as the average of these neighbors. Mice is a multivariate imputation by chain equation, and the idea is that you take the missing value column as the target, and you take the other columns as the predictors, and you feed a series of regression models to impute the missing value. In the next video, I will tell you more about implementing these ideas in Python. Thank you. Hey guys, in the last two videos, I talked about handling missing values and the different techniques that you can use for that. In this video, I would like to tell you how to implement them in Python. You can also do the same thing in R. So the first idea was to drop a missing value. If you want to drop missing value, you can use the function inside the pandas library. You can use drop NA. All right. If you decide to go with a simple imputation, remember simple imputation was a mean, median, mode, and a constant. You can use simple imputer. It's like a function inside scikit-learn. For that, there is an option giving you is about a strategy. So you can set the strategy to be mean, a median, or mode. And then if you decide to go with a more advanced imputation like KNN and mice, you can either use KNN imputer, which is the function inside scikit-learn, and pass the k as the number of neighbors, or you can use mice, and which is the you can use a function inside scikit-learn again, iterative imputer. And this is still in the experimental setup, or has a better or more stable implementation for that. But iterative imputer, I have used it and it works very well in practice. All right, so leave a comment if you have any question about this stuff. Until next video, thank you.